This is the Berfy magnetic case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. I'm going to go ahead and put this on and show you guys all around this case here. Comes in this really nice white packaging, and what makes this a really great option here is that it comes with an integrated privacy screen protector for extra value. Now, inside the packaging, we're all going to get some accessories. Since it has an integrated screen protector, they're giving us everything that we need to clean off the screen. So first, you want to start off with a wet wipe. Give that a nice wipe. Next is a dry wipe. Alright, once that screen is nice and clean, go ahead and use a dust removal sticker. And you want to make sure there's no lints or anything on like that on top of the screen. Next, we're going to grab our Berfy case. And this front piece comes off. Take off the styrofoam. We're going to lift this inner plastic, revealing the inside of the privacy screen protector. And now once you reveal that, there's a couple of tabs that we have to also remove here. A couple of adhesives. So there's one on the top right. And this whole side piece here is a adhesive. And we also have to peel this off. Make sure you're nice and gentle here, making sure you don't lift off the black piece here. And just in case, they do give us 2 additional adhesive strips in case you ever need to use them. All right, next thing we're going to do is line up the front with the front camera, of course. I'm going to go right over it and apply pressure on all 4 corners. And we can finally lift this up. Then we're going to apply some pressure over here for that adhesive. And that's pretty much it. We have some nice 2-way privacy. Finally, the back side of the case. Let's remove that styrofoam here. Now, same thing here. You can literally just drop it in. You can literally just open up the hinge here, drop it in, and apply pressure on all 4 corners. And that's pretty much it. We have the case successfully installed here. Now, I gotta say, I love this black color here. It matches perfectly with the titanium black Z Fold 6. Now, taking a look at the features here, we're gonna have a nice hinge protector here. Now, that also means it's gonna add a little bit of width here. But this also doubles up as an S Pen holder. So if you have an S Pen, you're able to just drop it in and have your S Pen held in place, which is really nice. Now you are able to also open this up here so you can see the actual hinge mechanism working. So that's pretty cool. Another great feature of this case here is that this over here opens up, giving you a really nice kickstand here. So you can watch your content horizontally, or you can watch it portrait, wherever you want. You get a nice built-in kickstand, which is really nice. Another awesome feature is going to be this magnetic ring here, which will be compatible for magnetic accessories. So for example, I have a magnetic power bank. So all I have to do is place it in here and watch my Z Fold 6 charge. And as you can see, we have charging magnetically, which is really awesome. And I like how stable it is. It has really strong magnets. So this is a really awesome feature. So overall, I think this is a really nice case with a lot of great features, such as that magnetic ring here, which is a huge plus. That built-in kickstand, full 360-degree protection, and you're having a really awesome privacy screen protector, which adds awesome value. So I definitely recommend the Berfy magnetic case. Firewolf, out.